Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Agni Aulia, class 12 from MA Persis 14 Sarongge. This video is for my English practice exam. In this video, I will show you how to make Tanghulu. Tools and material: knife, cutting board, skewer, pen, sugar, strawberries, orange, grape, and water. First step, wash the fruit until it's clean. Pick 3 pieces of fruit on a skewer. Do it repeatedly until it runs out. After that, prepare the pan, then add some sugar. Today, I use a quarter of sugar. Add some water to taste, then turn on the stove. Wait until the sugar boils and turns brown. After you feel the sugar is cooked, stir and coat the fruit to the sugar. Chill until the fruit hardens.